Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We'll see how to write a Python program to find minimum of two numbers. This is a very simple program. In the last program I have shown you how to find maximum of two numbers. In this program we'll see how to find minimum of two numbers. Very simple program. We'll take two variables. Okay, so let's take num1. Num1 is your first variable and let's assign some value, for example 20. Okay, and similarly you take another variable number 2 and you give 10 to it. Okay, and now what we'll do, we'll write one condition, if condition, right? If, what we'll say here, number 1 is less than number 2, then what you want to print? If number 1 is less than number 2, in that case you can say print number 1, num1 is minimum. Okay, similarly what you can do here, else if number 1 is equal to number 2, then same thing again, you can say print both numbers are equal. Okay, else what you will say here, if these two conditions not matches, then you can say else print number 2 is minimum. Okay, now let's execute and see, right? See what it is telling, number 2 is minimum because number 2 is 10. If we will give it as 5 and let's run, okay, number 1 is minimum. Okay, and again if I'll give it as 35 and 10, let's run it, number 2 is minimum. So let me walk you through this program, right? So we have taken two variables, one is number 1 and then number 2. Number 1 we have assigned the value as 35 and for the number 2 we have assigned the value as 10. Okay, so the very first condition what we are telling, if number 1 means 35 is lesser than number 2 which is 10. 35 is lesser than 10? No. So this particular print statement, it will not go inside and this will not get printed, right? It will come here. What we are telling here, else if num1 is equal to num2. What is the num1 value? Num value is 35 and num2 value is 10. If 35 is equal to 10, no. So it will not go inside or it will not print this statement. As this if and else, these two things are not matched, these two conditions are not matched, it will come to the else block and it will print whatever is there inside the else block, which is num2 is minimum. That's what you are seeing here, num2 is minimum. Similarly, if you just want to see the equal thing, 35 and 35, let's run it. See, both numbers are equal. Here also same thing, number 1, when the first condition it will try, is 35 lesser than 35? No. So it will not run, it will come here, number 1 is equal to number 2, 35 is equal to 35, yes. So it will print both numbers are equal. Okay, that's why this is printing, and it will not come here because this condition matched. Okay, so this is how easily you can write a Python program to find minimum of two numbers. Again, if you just want to give the user input, what you can do, you can just write int, then input, here you can say enter number 1. Okay, and similarly you can say enter number 2. Okay, let's execute. See, enter number 1, I will enter for example 200 and number 2 is 100. See, number 2 is minimum. Okay, because number 1 is 200 and number 2 is 100. Similarly, if I'll run it again and I will enter, number 1 is 1000 and number 2 is 1000. See, both numbers are equal. Okay, if I'll run it one more time and number 1 is 1000, number 2 is 999. See, number 2 is minimum. Okay, so this is how you can write a Python program to find minimum of two numbers. Very easy program. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, please press the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Also, do not forget to watch the different Python programs. I have created a separate Python programming playlist. Please do watch that. I hope these videos will be very helpful for you. Thank you. Bye bye.